What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today. Today's a very cool video. We are going to be putting a catless downpipe on the Toyota Supra. So very excited to see how that sounds, how things are gonna go. You're gonna be hearing a good before and after. I'm basically gonna, give you some startups, give you some revs, so you can see how the car sounds, some accelerations, and then we'll be throwing the downpipe on, getting some clips after that. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Go ahead. Go. Oh, shit. Whoa. Go. Much faster. Dang, much faster.
Jesus Christ.
Hey guys, so thank you so much again for watching today's video. If you liked today's video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Please comment down below what you liked about the video, what you guys want to see next. Again, I want to remind, this is an archived video. It's actually from a whole year ago. I mean, maybe even a year and a half ago. I'm still with the Mercedes. I don't have the Supra anymore. But I just wanted to put this footage up because I don't know why I didn't do it then. I might as well do it now. So again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Thank you.